Ginger. You all know this. But do you know how old the history of ginger is? For centuries, this spice has been known for its medicinal properties. Since ancient times, ginger has been used in various cultures for medicinal and culinary purposes. It is an underground stem that is famous for its pungent taste and distinct aroma. Due to its sharp taste and fragrance, it is considered an important ingredient in many dishes. Ginger not only enhances the taste of food, but is also beneficial in many diseases. Its use in ginger tea, soup, and home remedies is common, which provides relief from colds, coughs, and digestive problems. It was originally found in Southeast Asia and is now grown all over the world. It was cultivated in the tropical regions of Southeast Asia, but now it is grown in almost every corner of the world. Ginger is used in every form: fresh, dried, powder, oil, and juice. Fresh ginger is used in salads and tea, while dried ginger and powder are added to spices. Ginger oil and juice are also beneficial for health. Various ginger products like candy, syrup, and capsules are also available in the market. Many books and research papers have also been published about its benefits. Special attention is also paid to the cultivation and care of ginger. Farmers use special techniques to grow it to improve its quality and production. The roots of the ginger plant are very important, and it requires special care during the various stages of its growth. Providing water and nutrients at the right time improves its quality. Harvesting ginger is also an important process. It is harvested at the right time so that its medicinal properties and taste remain intact. Farmers sell it in the market from where it reaches our homes. Experts on the various uses and benefits of ginger say that it is a wonderful medicine. Its regular consumption can prevent many health problems. Ginger is not only beneficial for our health, but the beauty of its plant is also captivating. People also grow it in their gardens and take care of it. The roots of the ginger plant are very important, and it requires special care during the various stages of its growth. Providing water and nutrients at the right time improves its quality. Harvesting ginger is also an important process. It is harvested at the right time so that its medicinal properties and taste remain intact. Farmers sell it in the market from where it reaches our homes. Experts on the various uses and benefits of ginger say that it is a wonderful medicine. Its regular consumption can prevent many health problems. Ginger is not only beneficial for our health, but the beauty of its plant is also captivating. People also grow it in their gardens and take care of it. Limited to traditional medicine, but has also been incorporated into modern medicine. Ginger capsules, powders, and oils are now readily available in the market, making its health benefits even more accessible. Ginger is full of nutrients. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 100 grams of raw ginger contains about 80 calories, 18 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. Ginger is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid. It also contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, manganese, and copper. Ginger has many medicinal properties. It is a spice that not only enhances the taste of our food, but is also extremely beneficial for our health. The elements found in ginger make it beneficial for health. It contains vitamins, minerals, and many types of antioxidants. The antioxidants present in ginger protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals cause oxidative stress in our body, which can lead to many serious diseases. These free radicals cause many serious diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and accelerate the aging process. Regular consumption of ginger can reduce the risk of these diseases. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in reducing inflammation in our body, which is the main cause of many diseases. Consumption of ginger can provide relief in arthritis and other inflammation-related problems. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat nausea and vomiting. It also helps in improving the digestive system and cures stomach problems. It is also helpful in reducing morning sickness in pregnant women. Consumption of ginger is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Apart from this, consumption of ginger also helps in strengthening the immune system, which can protect us from diseases. Ginger can be consumed in many forms, such as tea, soup, salad, and even in sweets. Regular consumption of ginger can be extremely beneficial for our health. So include ginger in your diet today and enjoy its amazing health benefits. Ginger will not only enhance the taste of your food, but will also improve your health. Ginger helps in improving digestion. It increases the production of digestive enzymes and relaxes the stomach muscles. Ginger helps in relieving problems like constipation, indigestion, gas, and bloating. The antioxidants present in ginger help in keeping the digestive system healthy. Ginger helps in strengthening the immune system. It helps the body fight infection and protects against diseases. Ginger has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help destroy harmful bacteria and viruses. Eating ginger provides relief from problems like cold, cough, sore throat, and fever. Ginger has very strong anti-inflammatory properties which help in reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the root of many diseases, such as arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. Eating ginger helps in reducing arthritis pain and inflammation. Ginger has analgesic properties which help in relieving muscle pain, joint pain, and headache. Eating ginger also helps in reducing period pain. Applying ginger oil on muscles and joints provides relief from pain and inflammation. Ginger is used in a variety of dishes. It is used in making tea, soup, curry, pickles, chutney, and sweets. Ginger is also used in many medicines. Eating ginger is very beneficial for health. You can get many health benefits by including it in your daily diet.